Hi, this is Donna Matito, your sales consultant at Mitsubishi Peak Motors Abad Santos. I am introducing L300 FB Exceed Dual Aircon. We have new chrome horizontal front grille design. Yung bumper natin is 100 millimeters ang tinaas. Then yung ilaw natin still halogen. Sa gulong naman ay size niya is 18.5 R14 steel rims na rin siya. Door handle is naka-chrome na rin. Side mirror, manual adjust, and fold sa window natin. Naka-fix yung steering wheel, headlights, and wipers, both manual. So, yung engine natin is under the driver seat. Engine is 4 and 14, 2.2 liter CRDI. Turbo diesel engine, 16 valve with 98 horsepower and 200 newton meter of torque. Four-cylinder and with 5-speed manual transmission. We upgraded the engine to comply with the Euro 4 emission standard, so mas eco-friendly. Ang ground clearance natin is 195 millimeters, mataas para sa good visibility ng driver. Yung suspension natin sa harap is naka-wishbone with coil spring and sa likod naman is naka-leak spring. Ang braking system naman is front, naka-ventilated disc brake and drum brake naman sa likod. And may mudguard na rin siya. Yung body natin is may official body maker which is Almasora or Centro. We have 17-seater, 14 sa likod, 3 sa harap. Ang cargo capacity niya is 1,215 kilogram. Yung upuan pwede siyang i-fold, naka-dual aircon na rin siya. Then sa ilalim natin meron tayong full size na spare tire. Ang fuel tank capacity is 55 liters. So meron po tayo dito sa passenger seat, glove box. Meron din na compartment sa ilalim. At ang ating handbrake is nasa ilalim pa rin steering wheel na pull type pa rin. Ang radio natin is naka 1 din. Meron na siyang SD, auxiliary, and USB port. Manual aircon control tayo and cigarette lighter. Sikat ang L300 as FB or family business. Pwede din pang logistic as primary purpose. So L300 is considered commercial vehicle and important na hinahanap ng business owner is yung functional, easy and cheap maintenance, and reliable and subok na dati pa. For any inquiries and questions, you may contact me at 0917-144-5684. I'm Donna Matito. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Mitsubishi by DDM.